Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable the typing sound on Opera GX web browser. So the first thing that we will need to do now is to download our Opera GX web browser. So basically we need just to go to the URL bar of your web browser, either Google Chrome or other any browser. We are going to search for Opera GX, and then we will need just to go to the first link, which is the Opera gaming browser, and then we will need just to click here on download Opera GX. So after clicking here, we will need just to wait for the download to occur, and I'm going to download it now. And basically I'm just waiting for the download to finish. So after the download finishes, I will just go in to open the Opera GX, and then I will need just to accept all the term of service, etc. And then I'm going to install. So basically you can either configure the settings or like the categories of data that you will need to process, etc. And then you will need just to confirm the choices. We click on confirm choices, and then we will have our Opera GX that will start installing on our PC. So basically all we need now is to wait for the installing to finish, and then it will open automatically as follow as you are seeing. And basically now all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. So now all we need to do is to go to the settings, and after that we need just to go down until we find the browser sounds. After that we can find here the typing sound, and then you can just enable it or decrease it, or you can change the typing sound. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.